Ever wondered how to effortlessly break down any complex task into manageable steps? Introducing Magic ToDo, your secret weapon for streamlining workflows and saving valuable time. Ready to see it in action? Let's get started. First, enter your task and hit enter. Click on the Breakdown Item button. In just seconds, Magic ToDo transforms your task into clear, actionable steps right before your eyes. Take a moment to preview these steps and ensure they perfectly match your needs. But that's not all. Want to know how long each step will take? Click Estimate, and the tool provides an estimated time for each step, allowing you to plan your day with precision. Click Share to save your detailed plan as a PDF. It's easy to share, easy to follow. With Magic ToDo, breaking down tasks has never been easier. Boost your productivity and tackle any project with confidence. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.